G'day team, welcome back. Hey look, I'm just going to quickly share with you an update from Dan. He's sent through like a clip to show the work that he's done and how much has progressed. Also, I'm going to share with you a few videos and clips and photos of the restoration so far. Hope you guys enjoy it, and yeah, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll keep updating you with the progress. All right, catch you later. Bye. Good morning guys, and welcome to this video. Hey look, it's a beautiful autumn day today, and we just thought we'll start working on this. I've got my mate here, Marlon is helping me with these, removing some of these lock nuts, because we couldn't find the lock nut for that nut there, so we couldn't remove the tires. So Marlon's come up with a really wonderful idea of putting the screw into that spanner, and then sort of basically turning the lock nuts.
There you go, Bar.
There you go. So yeah, he's come up with that good idea, which is awesome. But yeah, look, so we're gonna try and remove all these nuts and then take the tires off and basically just see what the brakes are like, and yeah, and then just service the brakes, and then hopefully I can see if I can start the engine as well. All right, I'll be back soon. Catch you later. Bye.